Welcome back to Island Life Live. Collision repair involves restoring a vehicle's structural and aesthetic integrity after an accident.
And if you're in need of outstanding collision repairs with friendly customer service, we know who you should call. SH Fender Shop.
Joining us right now is the owner and president of SH Fender Shop, Robert Collins. How's it, Robert? How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Thank you so much for being over here, as well as repair planner.
Ooh.
We got Jared DeCosta over here.
Hi, hello, good morning.
Thank you guys so much for jumping on the show with us. Now, we got to be honest. Now, following a collision, it can be a stressful time. You got to call the insurance, do the exchange, and call the police. So we appreciate the fact that we have friends like you guys that can kind of help mitigate the stress. So we love the fact that you guys are customer service focused. Lena Girl mentioned that in the intro. Can you tell us what that looks like?
Yeah, that's
Well, basically, we listen to the customer's needs. Every repair is a special situation. Each repair is different. And we just listen to those needs and we come up with a repair plan that works best for them and fits within their life. And we just want to do a safe and proper repair and get them back on the road and back to life.
Yeah.
That's beautifully put, I tell you, Jared. Because I know the focus on customer service is truly paying off for you folks, because your Yelp score is super good. I love it. And you also have a commitment to safety and to quality repairs.
Yes.
I think that's important. Can you tell us how you folks ensure that?
We follow OEM Repair Standards when we repair our vehicles. I'm blessed to have a really good crew. They have a lot of experience. They dedicate themselves to the work that we do, and we try to treat every car that comes through our shop like it was our own, our family members, our neighbors. So we really try to make sure that customers' vehicles get repaired the same way that we would do our own.
Is it more difficult nowadays with all the sensors and different things that the modern cars have?
Yeah, there's a lot of advancements in technology. In the past, people think that we just fix dents and scratches, and that's not the case at all. We're dealing with a lot of different types of electronics, sensors, radars, different enhanced paints. We have to use computers and diagnostic tools to fix cars. So it really requires a high degree
So
of
you
skill.
folks have leveled up your technology to meet the needs of all of your customers.
Yes, we have.
This
That's
is
what
why
it's
I
all
like
about.
just dropping my car off to you guys. I'm not any of that stuff and stress. That's
right.
Awesome. You guys also are involved with the community. You engage with the community. Can you talk about that for a little bit? And then you also hold a prestigious title in Hawaii, Robert. Tell us about that.
Yes, I am currently serving as vice president of the Auto Body and Paint Association.
Ooh.
And what we do is work with the community, work with the high schools and the colleges throughout the state to support the kids, introducing them to our trade programs, and working with the community directly just to boost up the workforce and just do things that would just promote our industry and just promote safety and stuff when we're fixing.
I remember in high school, auto was the favorite class, right? They still have that?
That's it. Not for all of us. Home economics was my take.
So you like eat.
Brother, you're not supposed to tell people that on TV.
No, I just kidding. Yeah, of course. Auto shop.
Trade programs have somewhat been disappearing, unfortunately. And it's something that we're fighting really hard to kind of bring awareness to the community, to bring trade programs back to schools. And we're looking at the future and the development of AI and stuff. I think trade programs are going to be a big thing. So.
Absolutely. The academies are popping up now.
Yes, they are. Yeah.
And we are grateful that SH Fender Shop is right there, cutting edge technology, right there with our next generation, helping to build them up while offering up that great customer service. You guys are amazing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for all that you folks do.
Yeah, how can we get a hold of you guys? Where are you guys online?
Yeah, we're located right on Queen Street.
Okay.
You can give us a call. Best thing to do is call us, meet with us, bring your car down there. We love to talk to our customers, walk around the vehicle, be real clear about what we can and cannot do, and just start the process there and make sure you get well taken care of.
Right on.
And how do you deal with the customer that comes in and says, well, you never fixed the impact rust?
Impact Rust.
We'll have that conversation out there right now. There's the number up on your screen. Thank you guys again for coming in.
That's right.
Thank you.
Robert
for having
Collins,
us.
Jared DeCosta,
Thank you.
SH Fender Shop.
Thank you.
All
Thank
right,
you.
family. Now head on over to KITV.com/contest to enter to win this week's Enjoy Snacks gift bag. We were